Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about types or categories of report. But if you want to know complete information about report writing, the importance of report writing, the important features of report writing, and what points should be remembered while report writing, I have already made two videos about it. You can watch that videos as well. The link is in the description. Okay, if we talk about the types of report, the first type is long and short reports. A two-page report or memorandum is a short report, while a 30-page report is certainly long report. Longer reports have a formal style, while shorter report is also called informal report. A long report always has a title, introduction, body, and conclusion. Means every report has a title, introduction, and body conclusion. The second type is internal or external reports. Internal report stays within a certain organization or group of people. External reports like a news report in the newspaper about an incident or the annual reports of companies, we call these as public reports. Means internal or external report is also called public reports because you get information from public. That is also what that is external report. But the report which you made in your department, which you made in your news department, that is what that is internal report. And the third one is what is informational reports. It provides facts, data, feedback, and other types of information to assist management to make decisions. It does not provide an analysis or interpretation of information and don't provide recommendations. The fourth type is analytical reports. What are analytical reports? It helps you evaluate your business decisions based on data insights. It gives you recommendations instead of just plain numbers. It is based on historical data, statistics, and provide predictive analysis for a specific issue. It gives you a better understanding of business and operational activities. Being able to view, understand, and summarize a large amount of information about your business through data visualization, letting the end user view multi-dimensional charts, being able to weigh options between solutions. And the fifth type is periodic reports. What are periodic reports? A periodic or a recurring report is a written document that have occurred since the last periodic report was written. It is written by federal organization, corporations like non-profits and other institutions. It is also known as project or status reports. Means a periodic report is also called project or status reports. The feature summarizes app data hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly, early. The sixth one is spatial reports. What are spatial reports? As it is mentioned by his name, by that name, that spatial report. What is spatial report? It is prepared and presented not as a matter of routine. This is prepared on the basis of some inquiry or investigation, either by a single individual or by a body or a committee or a subcommittee or a commission specially formed and entrusted with the duty. Means special report you may have seen like when any murderer is there, so what they made, they make a special report which is presented to a head, means the person who is on high rank, then that special report is presented to him. And if we talk about the seventh type, that is oral reports. Now what is oral report? It consists of research that is delivered in person. It is a presentation usually done for a students, teacher, and classmates. It is also done by school community, parents, or for a more open group. And eighth one, what is written reports? A written document describing the findings of some individual or group. And the eighth one, what is formal reports? As it is also mentioned by its name, that it is an official report that contains detailed information, research data necessary to make business decisions. For example, like inspection, safety, compliance, and incident, annual situation reports. These all are formal reports. And if we talk about informal reports, it is a it is presented in person to person. It's presented by person to person communication, one page or a several pages report, but formal and informal, but both differ in content, scope, purpose, structure, and tone as well. Means if we do comparison between formal and informal reports, so what will be their comparison? There will be difference in their content, in their scope, in their purpose, and their structure and tone as well. Suppose if I write a report to my friend, so it doesn't mean that I will use full means like I will use I will not use like formal language. Means I can use a kiddie language, a funny language. So it's informal report. Individual report, the last one. Individual report, it is on your project topic, should present your particular area of responsibility in more detail and should be related to the group's presentation. It should be individually done. Example, written just by you and focusing on your area of responsibility, as it is also mentioned by its name, individual. So it was topic about types of or categories of report writing. If still you people have any query, you can freely ask in comment section. And if you are new, do subscribe channel, and if you have liked this video, share it with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.